Tome, Todo, Labubu. Today, Bonnie, Labubu, Cute, Tome, No food. No food. So food. So food. Cookies for food. Labu, labu. Labubu.
Hello Shaz, I'm Rian's mom Ria. So today our product is Labubu. As you all know that sometimes, as he said, that toys are sometimes boring. So kids relate when we show them some characters that are from stories. So they can learn good values, and when we teach them good values, we also want they know the difference between the good and the bad. So the character is from the Nordic fairy tales, the Lumps, the Monsters books series. So the Labubu, it is not the negative character, but Labubu is kindful and helpful, and how it does a teamwork. We can see through a story that he bakes a cake and shares with his friends, and how he pitches.
When Labubu wants cake, you know something magical is about. With a tiny backpack, our hero heads out. There's pillow mountains to climb, toy bridges to cross, and even a surprise visit from a curious cat. Finally, ingredients found. Labubu races home, bakes the cake, and shares every sweet bite with friends. Adventure, teamwork, and cake. What more could you want?
So, shall we really judge a book by its cover? So, shall we really go on the looks of Labubu, or we should see that how he is helpful, how he does the teamwork? Yes? Qualities. Yeah. We should actually go by qualities and not by looks.
Look is also part of quality.
Yeah, that's there, but more we should go on the nature, and the looks is the second part. How he is helpful. We are teaching our child good manners, so you should first teach how they are helpful, their teamwork.
But for the toys, if the look is not good, they will not play. There's a combination of both, I believe.
That's there.
Labubu is related to negative energy, so how would you market your product? It would be a difficult one. Already there is a lot of negativity regarding this product. It brings negative energy, and you are saying this just for leadership qualities and have to be helpful. So it is going to be a tough task for you. You are going the other way around.
First of all, these are all controversies. As you go, as we research, we have found out that it is just from the stories, the negative, whatever there is on the social media. It's all about how the trend, when the trend came, the Labubu was on a high peak, and people just started how we could bring them down. So first of all, we will also bring the positive sides and show them that no, this is the wrong one and this is the right one. We will make the audience know what is right and what is not right.
what positive side you have identified till now? Because you are now marketing right now, okay?
Yeah.
So you could have done a research that these are the positive sides of this Labubu.
Yeah, till now, whatever I have researched, I have found out that these are from the Nordic fairy tale story as I have mentioned earlier. So these are the mischievous characters who are just like how the kids do, you can say masti and all. So these Labubu also are the mischievous one. They are not there to harm anyone. Like as you can see, nowadays children are using mobile phone more. But that is the worst than this. So I would like to share the cake made by the Labubu to you all, Shaks.
Show your cake, Shaks. I made the cake. Labubu.
Say, will you be friends with Labubu? Say yeah. Say, will you be friends? Say, shake hand, you. Shake hand.
Very good.
Can I take this?
You give.
I saw you cake.
I want this Labubu.
Shaks, would you like to invest in a Labubu?
What is your proposal?
We are proposing 1 lakh for 2.5% equity.
It's very high.
So, sir, Shaks, what can you offer us?
I am exit.
What is your profit margin? If you have marketed or if you have done any selling till now, what is the profit margin?
We have just started, so if you invest in us, then we'll exactly know.
So what is your forecast based on costing and the selling price? What is your forecast? How would we invest if we are not sure what is the cost and what is
Our
the
cost
selling price?
per Labubu is 400 rupees approximately, and adding the profit and all, the selling price would be 600.
In just 600,
Yes.
you will sell it.
Yes.
So how would you market it and where?
There are so many market platforms like on social media, e-commerce platform,
Because
and
you-
on the stores also.
Because your initial maximum time will go to convert your negative effects of this to positive effects.
We do it continuously, like we are marketing, we are showing the positive side on social media. Then we'll bring the product in the market.
So how confident you are that it will come out with the positive vibes?
Confidence is like you can be a star on social media in one night and you can get down in one night.
Are you an influencer on social media?
Sorry?
Are you an influencer on social media?
Yes.
Okay.